The Chinese government resurrects a previous claim that the Philippine government agreed to pull out a beached Navy ship from the Ayungin Shoal, which is part of the Philippines continental shelf. The Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman insists the Philippines gave that commitment in 2014, but that claim was already denied that same year by Philippine Foreign Affairs officials. China revived the issue after Philippine security officials insisted that the resupply mission to the BRP Sierra Madre was within Philippine waters and not trespassing into Chinese territory. The Philippine Defense Chief rejected the Chinese demand of the Sierra Madre be removed from the shoal.
The international community supported us on this incident, citing international law and the ruling of the Permanent Court of Arbitration in 2016. I told the Chinese ambassador that no one can prevent us from doing what we have to do within the West Philippine Sea, where we have sovereign rights by international laws.
Former Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario calls China's demand ridiculous. He echoes the statement of Defense Secretary Lorenzana that there is no commitment on the part of the Philippine government, adding that the BRP Sierra Madre is a public vessel that is protected by the 1951 U.S.-Philippines Mutual Defense Treaty. A Filipino maritime law expert warned that China's aggressive statements and actions may just be a tactic to outmaneuver the Philippines and gain control of more Philippine maritime territory.
That China intends to continue using gray zone operations to squeeze us out of the West Philippine Sea and the Calayan Island Group. So like guerrilla warfare, they allow China to take away the West Philippine Sea and the Calayan Island Group without firing a single shot.
A social weather station survey conducted last month and commissioned by the Strat-based Albert Del Rosario Institute showed 8 out of 10 respondents want the Philippines to assert sovereignty over the West Philippine Sea. A majority of respondents also want the next president to build alliances with other countries to protect the Philippines' territory. The survey results were presented in a webinar hosted by Strat-based, during which Philippine Foreign Affairs Secretary Teodoro Locsin Jr. emphasized the importance of America's role in maintaining the balance of power in the disputed South China Sea.
We recognize that the presence of the U.S. in the region is crucial to the balance of power here. And the American is the only hegemony without imperial intentions.
A Filipino marine scientist who spoke in the Strat-based webinar also narrated how researchers have been encountering difficulties due to China's aggressive moves in the area.
In several occasions, our planned expeditions have also been postponed or even totally cancelled because of the security threats being posed by this paramilitia and Chinese Coast Guard vessels.
Despite China's insistence that the Philippines remove the BRP Sierra Madre from the Ayungin Shoal, National Security Advisor Hermogenes Esperon asserts the Philippines intends to reinforce its makeshift outpost at Ayungin Shoal by building a more permanent structure. Willard Cheng, ABS-CBN News.